Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a purchase invoice in Manager.io. Let's start by opening Manager.io. Launch the application on your computer or sign into your hosted version if that's what you use. Once it loads, look to the main navigation area for the section labeled Purchase Invoices. This is where all vendor bills are created and managed. When you find it, go ahead and open it to view the list of existing purchase invoices. From here, create a new record by selecting New Purchase Invoice. This opens a clean form where you'll enter the details from your supplier's bill. Think of this form as a mirror of that bill. Dates, reference, supplier, and the items or services you're being charged for. Begin with the issue date and the due date. The issue date should match the date printed on the supplier's invoice. The due date reflects the payment terms, such as net 30 or a specific calendar date, so payments are tracked accurately. Set both carefully to keep your aging and reminders correct. Next, look for the reference field and enable the option for automatic numbering. This tells Manager.io to assign the next available invoice number for you, keeping your records tidy and sequential. If your organization prefers manual references to match the supplier's notation, you can enter that instead, but automatic is a great default. If your supplier has provided a statement that shows a running statement balance, enter that figure in the designated field. This helps you reconcile month-end statements and quickly confirm that what you owe matches what the supplier shows. If you're working from a single invoice without a statement, it's fine to leave this blank. Now choose the supplier from the dropdown. Selecting the correct supplier ensures the payable is attributed to the right account and that any supplier-specific settings, like currency, are applied. Add your line items. For each item or service, choose the appropriate account, then enter the quantity and unit price. Pick the expense or inventory account that best describes the purchase and include a clear description to make later reviews easier. As you fill these in, Manager.io will calculate line totals and the overall amount due. Double-check quantities, pricing, and any applicable details to avoid surprises downstream. When everything looks accurate, select Create to save the purchase invoice. You'll return to the list view where your new entry appears and is ready for review, approval, or downstream processing. That's it. You've created a purchase invoice in Manager.io with clear dates, a clean reference, accurate supplier selection, and well-documented line items.